wakwaba midi ede Addo searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel nya notification bell na so for more news. His Excellency Nana Dankwa Ekufu Addo yebeka ya COVID-19 ebae no o promise Ghana say obesi 110 hospitals e wo Ghana hanom a otu ne dey agenda 111 na NDC for no se wo da bi enti members because one kaza aka won na ahe ebi se betimi abaso na His Excellency so no o kan oye no agenda 111 no e koso na eye honorable Sam George na nsen ya o de betu dwa say ne constituency akakakra bi na wawie ene Ghana fo akasa ho na de ade asa osora one de den one say agenda 111 bayi wa lobby na enye bi akọ constituency e wa breast say NPP MPs ni mpo ebi nye bi honorable Dafia Maponso abeke bi ono so ye NDC ni ono so kire say agenda 111 e bi akọ no ho na NDC stronghold bako e wo Greater Accra Pon Katamanso omo so kire say eye agenda 111 hospital no omo de na akakra bi no omo awie na honorable Hopsin Adoye e na ode ensem we to dwa yenti ensem honorable e de
agenda na
ai ba si ni de na akwa ni mu si obi
wada enam ahudo agenda 111 ahudo so eba be file report say adwuma ni nkwa ni mama fa jiska na di na omwe piece komeko Sam George ode
honorable jira ho o say members of the health
committee minority
that's right
one move swam hu go kam man frame majority member bia no mo am nam baby asinto kakra wo enom si ni nyina agenda 111 nyina o makoso nyina no man fa jiska de o man nya adwuma o man ko Sam George ode no
honorable I think say member make statement bia obi betima akolo no ama na approve that statement and amu betima ye ho bibi anya sa
of course
sa wo ho dia and sa report no mo be ma wo parliament no na mo afa ye ka ne say Sam George the dance ya wa babedi no na afa mo check o mo prove no me say na nsenya na me call say be ye say 3 weeks ni adam say me kwa akohwe eye pon ye de no me kai ada president go for ba pon that was 2020 September and wakate so
nanado
yeah nanado and wakate so wonim the way adam man for to two futru gu agenda 111 no a pascal ayese ni ne kai ga ho na se amikwa nam se o mami konko fa howe over se ya ji hu nyina na mi wura mu no nam se ei baby ade na duro ni
pon Katamanso
I'm telling you pon baby pon polyclinic no wono ni nchewa ye can say house of kids for no one what was traditional cancer traditional cancer na chi wono and I'm catch us over and say me panicho me introduce me mo che na so on fa mi mura mo kakra over and I'm say enti was say just by December no ma hand over ma ye can say government no matter almost everything bra no more yes or mo betimi connect old wine to it so that ye be upgrade ye na manaba emu bia ye kese ase say the esete no I was shocked the ability medical go hu ya am say eh na when na ma for 2 futuro egu Ghana fu ani say agenda 111 no I just told you no over be say obi a go tie bibia betima ko wachina udi odru ha wo so pe traditional cancer ye kire wa bo say agenda 111 na wo fe
ofa ade ba ku a ye hu ne say onipa obo ho modern dodo a na yasesa market scheme no amam the expectations are Ghana for war e wa yaban mu ni ene se ne omunim se abenfo eni ni pa omunim de e wa ban mu nti no enyema ye ye
somebody finds a way to create job for you so that the skills you have learned at school wouldn't be to waste. Not only that, the man made sure so amount experience said the beya and there say oko apply for another job ni bisa how many years of experience do you have in this field that at least to make us from 2019 to 2020 you have done this type of job over 3 years experience. Yeah. And you sit there, allow a party that could not give you a job because according to them you were not experienced. Isn't it sad? Ghana for Napco for na many omokasan. And that is why I saw said they were very ungrateful in Tinesanana Sebe Etremukra mena hame. To be honest with you, because Napco 4 people they really let me down. The Napco people really let me down. Matinefie since 2013. Some of you since 2013. Munye jumanye. Obia ba befawa ma Napco. Charles Kweku say he's intelligent but not wicked. I said wicked in a sarcastic way. Say Kufuado you wicked in a sarcastic way. Because Charles, Osha dia papa ne ye na obeso gu NDC o. Obeso gu NDC party ne totally ansa we free so. Look at what is happening in the north. North when you can hands down NDC winning. Look at what Bawumia and them did in the north there. Look at what now Oti chiefs are saying now. Say, for 7 times they have seeked several governments, say, Mumma ye region, but they never gave them. 7 times. 7 times they have seeked, say, Omuhia regional capital, Omuhia say, Beyomo region. It never happened. But Kufuado listened and did it for them. Unless the Omuye Buniaye for Nombeto about Edietia NPP buying the next time around. And I'm glad the man actually confessed, said they are sorry. Say he created the region and they voted against him. But they promised him, say, come 2024, him and his people would actually vote for the NPP. Look at what Peter Mewu is doing in Hohoi. Look at how gradually Nanado is winning Hohoi, winning voter region bit by bit. All tells you, said this man is a unique man. Now, enunti ena me saw camera no. Eja medin kai ama background kakre. Memfa enombra in the next 20 minutes. Na men sorry so. Mame chere wadibi. Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuado is the only president that has 16 regions. Utie. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuado. Ononkwane president ya webedi Ghana swa okuta 16 regions. Guess what that comes with? Extra